Mommy. Another one, Mommy. Oh, shit.
What?
I did this. Oh, shit.
Oh, okay.
I did. Oh, shit.
I'm just going to pretend you didn't see that. Can you keep doing your puzzle?
Up there, Mommy. Up there, Mommy.
Yeah, it does go up there.
No, there's this. There's more for Mommy. Wash. Bee. Uh-oh, towels. Apples. Uh-oh, towel.
Uh-oh, cow. You had it the right way. Turn it. Good job. And don't get frustrated, honey. Good job.
So up.
Where does that go?
No?
Where does it go? Honey, don't get frustrated. Do you want Mommy to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, you do the other ones.
Uh-oh.
Can you do the white ducky's head? Okay.
Uh-oh, that's me. Dip the pie.
Good job. Yeah, good job, Addie.
No, Mommy.
Mommy holds that one? Okay. Does that piece go there?
No, it's this one.
Yeah. Good job. Keep pushing. There you go. You're welcome. Good job, Addie. Yay, Addie. Did you do the puzzle?
Yeah.
Good job. Did you do it all by yourself?
Yeah, the patty. That.
Good job.